So, just a bit of an update. Was forced to take a detour that was quote-unquote faster, and now I am, well, not stuck, but I almost slipped and crashed the U-Haul. So, goodbye old place. As you can see, I've already finished packing up some of the headphones. Got a lot of other stuff here. Sorry for the mess, but obviously I'm moving, so like it's not, you know, as tidy as can be. So this right here is where everything happens. This is where I edit, where I make everything. It is what I do on a, like weekly basis, give or take. And yeah, you see it full of cables and all that just because, again, like I'm testing some stuff out right now, but yeah, just wanted to take one last shot of it, one last look before I decide to bring everything down for the move. Hopefully this one makes it in one piece to the new place. Yeah, you can actually see here, I just finished literally right now filming the iFi IDSD signature review and all of the B-roll. And I'm currently reviewing the L30 right beside the E30 that was also provided to me by Apos Audio. So I'll let you know how that one goes, or you might already know yourself. But basically, so far so good. Stop, go. Yo, yo, yo. Aye. Yo. Where you going? Where the hell are you going? Jesus Christ, where we going? Where you taking me? So, just a bit of an update. Was forced to take a detour that was quote-unquote faster, and now I am, well, not stuck, but I almost slipped and crashed the U-Haul, but it's all good. Getting back on the road. So another quick update. I finally got out of the freaking, the side roads. Okay, so big takeaway here. Always take I-35. Forget the side roads, forget the toll roads. I-35 or bust, because I-35 is the safest, and now I know that. So, whew, heading to the San Marcos outlets now to meet up with my party. So, hopefully I can get there safely. It's just less than a mile left, but here goes. Okay, so we stayed here at the, what the hell was it called? Stayed here at the, so we stayed here at a hotel right in front of the outlets in San Marcos, and we were planning on leaving this morning if conditions were better, but I don't know about that. And the air is more frigid than yesterday. So roads are not as icy, so it looks like it might be possible, but yeah, still not exactly a clear shot. So I guess we'll see what happens.
Aquí sí está más feo.
Sí, se nota que está un poco resbaloso.
Sí, ya no dejaron subir a los trailers, ahí ya les pararon su pedito.
Wow.
Por eso te digo, si nosotros más alcanzamos a Ay, ni chinga ese. Ese va a provocar un accidente. Nomás lleva el agujero por donde ve. Todo lo demás esto lo lleva con hielo. Qué estúpido. O estúpida, no sé qué sea, pero nomás lleva el agujero por donde ve para enfrente. Y lo de acá, ¿cómo va a ver esto?
Sí, pues sí.
No, hombre.
Okay, so it has been a crazy past few weeks with the packing and the moving and all, but we are finally here, and I'm not completely settled in yet, but this is the new place. Of course, I would add some new things here and there, you know, maybe some sound dampeners around the walls, just so that reflections don't interfere with the recordings and whatnot, should I record over here. But yeah, cables all over the place, but I've got something going on. There's the illustrious PS5. Here I got my secondary rig. Call this one Hellwalker, and right now I've got Dracula in there, rocking that. You can't really tell, but it has a really nice color. So, you know, it's like fire, orange, pretty nice. This is the workstation that I am going to be using, and yeah, I am using that Alienware monitor as my temporary desk because my desk did not arrive on time due to the weather issues that have been going on in Texas. In case you aren't aware, Texas is frozen over. So I had that to look forward to throughout the moving process, and this is my bedroom. So yeah, right now it is still a mess. Lighting is kind of terrible. I need to go ahead and buy some white bulbs instead of the stock orange, or well, soft white quote unquote bulbs that they give us when we move in. And oof, inflatable mattress, look at that. But everything is coming along smoothly, and I hope to, you know, get started on it pretty soon. But yeah, everything's coming along. That is my roommate's door and his restroom. So obviously I'm not gonna go in there because you know, it's his life, his personal property. So I'm not gonna go in there. But yeah, I mean, everything else is coming along slowly but surely. So of course, many more videos to come, including the review of the Topping L30 amplifier provided to me by Apos Audio. That is to come. I also have the review of the HiFi Micro IDSD signature, which is actually an amazing unit, which you'll get to find out pretty soon. I will go ahead and speak about the HD8XX, which, yes, I managed to pre-order one. But yeah, by that point I should be settled in, and with those reviews out of the way, I should have plenty of time to get new things in for review. Anyways, just wanted to say thank you very much for weathering this through with me, because I was weathering it myself. And thank you very much for tuning in for the moving vlog. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and I will see you in the next one. Okay guys, so I finally managed to get the free time to actually, you know, stop and record this message. Yeah, moving across Texas in the middle of a blizzard/snowstorm was not exactly a walk in the park. First time driving a U-Haul, and it was quite the adventure. Almost died like twice. So yeah, little crazy, but we managed to get here, and you know, place is great. There have been a lot of shipping delays with my things. I ordered some things from Amazon, a couple of desks. I ordered an IKEA desk, a tabletop with Alex drawers to do that whole, that cliche YouTuber setup, and it still hasn't come in because of the inclement weather. It's been crazy, and the place is in shambles right now because cables everywhere. Managed to plug in whatever I could plug in, but thankfully things are starting to come in, and everybody is safe, so there's nothing to worry about. And everything's starting to get better, thankfully. Yeah, so no desks means no desktop setup, which is why I wasn't able to edit videos last week because, well, all I could really do was put things together to start work, like my day job, and that's it. I was working on top of this Alienware box for a good while until my desk from Amazon, my sit-stand desk, actually came in, so I was able to set that up, and now I'm using the Alienware box as my desk for my personal PC in my room. And yeah, it's been rough. But the good news is that now that I actually have a surface that I can use the computer as opposed to just having a monitor, keyboard, and mouse on it, I can get to editing this video and uploading it. So I'm recording this. It is the Thursday prior to submitting this and uploading it to YouTube. So it is not ideal, but I'm doing what I can. I'm actually recording this with the Samsung voice recorder app. I downloaded it off of the App Store. I still don't have enough space to put my Scarlett Solo and my microphone with the boom arm and everything. I'm gonna have to wait until the actual desk comes in. So yeah, but I understand, inclement weather. My heart goes out to all of Texas and everyone else that suffered that snowstorm a week ago. It was absolutely terrible, especially to be driving across, city to city with a bunch of things inside a U-Haul. So my heart goes out to everybody. But anyway, I just want to say, thank you very much for, hanging in there with me. This was tough, but the hard part is over. Everything's starting to settle in, and my daily life is starting to pick up a routine once again, as opposed to the whole, stuck in a snowstorm type of scenario that Texas went through. So videos coming up. I do have a couple of them on the back burner. Some are already recorded, some I still need to record, but everything is progressing now, and I have a little more free time to work on YouTube as opposed to just spending every minute of my time buying groceries and toilet paper and working. So yeah, thank you for hanging in there with me, and thank you for watching this vlog. And let me know if you enjoyed this type of content. Maybe I'll do a couple more vlogs and whatnot once once the pandemic starts lifting. So yeah, thank you very much. More videos next week, and I'll see you all in the next one.